Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be my model cars and coffee for this week. It's been a couple weeks since I've done one, put one out, but we're gonna work on one here. So hope you enjoy it. Let's turn around and get to it. What you see here is my first model I ever built. I remember going to visit my great grandmother, and was in Frankfort, Ohio, at the shopping, I guess, with my mom and granny. And it was close enough where she lived. We walked down and we walked into the hardware store, and I happened to look down on the bottom shelf, if I remember right, and saw a model kit. I was like, I'm gonna get one of those because I was watching the TV. I was enjoying the TV show at the time, if I remember correctly. This came from Nam Tour of Duty. And it was the F-104 Starfighter. Cool kit, if I remember right. I enjoyed putting it together. Yeah, glue bomb, you might say. I don't know why I painted it red and black. That's what we painted it in different spots. A little bit of decals are still on it. I thought I threw this thing away and a long time ago. I was cleaning the garage. There it was in a box. I'm like, whoa. It's. I'm gonna try and find another one of these very soon and build it again. And it's not too dirty from sitting in a box for many years. But one of the missiles broke off there. Or I probably broke it off at one time. Thought I was going to get rid of it. One of the flaps back here is gone. If that's what those are, they may be missiles. Looks like looking at it, I may have put it on upside down on that one. Maybe not. But yeah, we will definitely rebuild one of these, or build one. Because I'm kind of like, where have my skills come along since I was like 8 or 9, maybe 10, I can't remember, to where it is now. If I remember, it did have wheels at one point, landing gear. I may have had them down. It sat on the shelf for a while. Yeah, well, I'll find one of these. I seen them on eBay. I seen one on eBay the other day for like $20, 25. So yeah, we'll find one locally, probably a little cheaper. But that's my model cars and coffee, I guess. What's your first model? Do you still have it? I'm sure some people's probably already asked that question, but as I'm looking at mine, I'm gonna ask what your first one was if you still have it. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.